Now that you have your new laptop, you'll want to access the files that you've backed up. And so there's a few options to do this. So I'm just going to open Finder. And our recommendation was to either save your files in OneDrive or an external drive. So what you're about to have shown will work with either of those two options if you chose them to back up. So I'm going to open up another Finder window to just make things a little easier. And so here's my OneDrive. And so here are my old laptop documents, desktop, all the various files that I have. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go into OneDrive here, open the folder, and now I could choose to do nothing and just always work from this OneDrive and not have to move anything onto my computer. This backs things up all of the time when I'm saving things here, and should I have an issue with my computer, I don't have to worry about losing anything. So that's probably the best option. But if you really want them back on your new computer, all you need to do is go to that folder, open it, select the files. And now over here, in my other Finder window, here I went into my old downloads. So I'm just going to grab my downloads and drop them on the downloads here on my current laptop. And they'll copy over or move over. And so now you can see that they've disappeared from here and they've been moved into this downloads. Now again, you'll follow the same format for the desktop, documents, and everything. The one that's most important that you'll have to do regardless of whether you choose to work off of OneDrive or not is your photo library. So whether you stored that in OneDrive, as this one is here, there's that photo library, or if you dragged and dropped it and put it in an external drive, you're going to have to put that into the pictures library on your new Mac. And this is only for people with Macs. And so for instance here, I'm going to go back to my OneDrive and I'm going to go to my pictures, and here's that photo library, and I must bring that over here so that I can access those photos again on my new MacBook. So that you'll have to do. So that's how you can restore things pretty quick and easy.